Hello and welcome back to your own channel Indian Defense Analysis, where we bring to you all the latest development happening in the defense sector. Recently, we have seen lot of drone startups contributing towards building drone ecosystem in India. One such a startup is Idea Force Technology. Idea Force is India's largest manufacturer of drones for defense, homeland security and industrial applications. The organization is licensed manufacturer of UAVs approved by Ministry of Defense. Idea Force is the first organization to indigenously develop and manufacture vertical takeoff and landing, that is VTOL UAVs in India. It is the pioneer in the UAV industry in India. Currently, the organization has deployed over 1000 systems and has trained over 1400 pilots in service including Indian Army, Navy, Air Force, CRPF, BSF, NSG, State Police Forces, Indian Railways, TAFE, NTPC, DRDO, L&T and many more. However, in this video, we are going to discuss about the Switch UAV developed by Idea Force for the Indian Army. On January this year, Indian Army has ordered 120 Switch UAVs, out of which 30 was scheduled to be delivered by August 2021 and the rest of the UAVs was scheduled to be delivered by year end. But as per the latest update, we have noticed the increment in the number of UAVs and now Army will get a total of 240 Switch UAVs. Today, PM Modi will hand over Switch UAVs designed and developed by Idea Force Technology to the Chief of Army Staff, Bipin Rawat. Indian Army has decided to procure these drones from Indian startups after detailed testing and trials at LSC high altitude. Indian Army will surely get 240 drones as it was tweeted by Idea Force CEO or co-founder Ankit Mehta. Talking about the Switch UAVs, it is first of its kind VTOL, that is vertical takeoff and landing, and fixed wing hybrid unmanned aerial vehicle. Switch features advanced flight time, higher safety and simple operation with additional fail-safe redundancies. It is used for long duration operations, long endurance surveillance and security, inspection and photogrammetry. The UAV has an endurance of about 120 minutes, range of 15 km and weighs less than 6.5 kg. Its maximum launch altitude is 4 km and maximum operating altitude is 1 km. It has a daylight payload of 1280 by 720 pixel optical zoom camera which can be zoomed 25 times. It has a thermal payload of 640 by 480 pixels used during night operation. The drone is operated with the support from the ground control station consisting of a high-range communication box, a handheld controller for the full camera control, and a laptop tablet for live video streaming and pre-flight checks. It is integrated with application software with the geographic map and video view. It can stream real-time video to the ground controller. For the fail-safe feature, it includes multiple GPS for redundancy, return home when the battery is low or on high winds. This was today's update. Please let us know what is your view about these in comment section. Feel free to post your comments and suggestions on any topic related to defense sector on which you want to hear from us. With this, I would like to say goodbye and Jai Hind friends. Please like and subscribe our channel if you have not done already. We will soon back with more interesting and amazing development happening in the defense sector.